Take a look at this new 2014 Ram 2500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This 2500 boasts a 6.7-liter inline-six engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the Quick Order Package 2.5 Tradesman, Chrome Appearance Group, Popular Equipment Group, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, anti-spin differential rear axle, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel, power black trailer tow mirrors, black clear coat, radio, Uconnect 5.0 MFMBT, single disc remote CD player, tires, LT 275/70R18EL on off-road, diesel gray black, cloth 40/20/40 bench seat, park sense rear park assist system, Park View rear backup camera and the trailer brake control. Call 888-904-1295 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.